Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, service technician for Advanblack. Today, I'm going to show you how to install our brand new one-step Protek engine guard. If you see back here on the bike, we do have the two-step Protek engine guard installed on this, which has the top and the bottom rung with sliders, and then of course the same thing in the rear, top and bottom. Now we've came out with a single step that is only going to be the top bar. So I've got the piece right here. This is the single step Protek engine guard, and it is just a top bar. And as usual, just like the other ones, you can choose the sliders that you put on here. We do have several different colors and carbon fiber mixes of sliders available on the website, so make sure that you check that out. Today I'm just going to be taking these red and carbon fiber insert sliders off of this one and putting them back on this bar. But make sure you check out the website because we've got several to choose from. This is a very easy install, definitely something you could do at home. So let's get the camera over here and let's get started. So even if you had the chopped engine guard, it's going to be the same bolts. It's going to be a bolt right down here at the bottom and then two bolts right in the middle that hold this engine guard on. If you have a full-size engine guard and you're going to this, your bolt is now going to be at the top up here. Maybe two bolts up here at the top depending on your gear, and then of course the bolt on each side. So not knowing what engine guard you're pulling off, I'm not quite sure what bolts you're going to have on there, but just get in there with, you're going to usually need an Allen and a Torx to get this off. So we're just going to get in here and remove these two bolts from the middle first. Now with these two top bolts, you're just going to remove these about halfway. You don't have to take these all the way out. And of course, if you have the fairing skirt like this for the Road Glides, you will have to take off the clamp right here. Now I'm going to finish removing the top two. Make sure you have a hold of the engine guard so it doesn't come down and hit your fender. And we're going to slide that out. We're going to slide in our single step engine guard. Get one of our bolts started. Now we're not going to tighten these two top bolts now. We're just going to run them in a little bit to make sure that they don't back out on us and let that fall down. You're going to want to add blue Loctite to all four of these bolts. So we got a little blue top Loctite on this bottom one. Top one's around. We're going to go ahead and get both of our fairing spoiler straps back on. If you don't have that, you can just skip this step. So we got our red and carbon fiber inlay sliders to go back on here. A little blue Loctite on that bolt once it's pushed through the slider. We're going to go ahead and get this one started. Give it a little snug, do the same thing to the other side. Now inside there will be a hardware package that has all the nuts and bolts that you need to put this on, but it'll also have this bag in here, engine guard spacers for 09 to 23 Harley Touring. If you need these two black spacers to go in right here to push this away from anything up here at the top, they are available. You can put those in, the bolts are long enough to add those in. So that's it. Like I said, super easy install. About 10-15 minutes, you can have your old one off and your new one on. Like I said, all the hardware comes with it that you're going to need. And now you have options from Advanblack. You can get the 2-step or the single step. So if you're worried about the lean angle on the 2-step, or maybe you just don't like the look of the 2-step, you can always choose the single step now, and it's going to protect your bike exactly the same. Now on the rear ones back here, it's going to maintain the 2-step, and then on the front, you'll have the choice of 2-step or single step. So the options are yours. If you want to get your hands on a set of these, the link will be down in the description, or you can get up with an authorized Advanblack dealer. If you have any questions or comments on this install, let me know down in the comment section down below. I'll help you the best that I can. I'm gonna get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.